Good morning, my dear children. Today we are going to discuss exercise 5.1. That first division, first problem is given. The taxi fare after each kilometer. The taxi fare is given after each kilometer. When the fare is rupees 15 for the first kilometer. For the first kilometer it is given as 15. For subsequent kilometer is given rupees 8. First rupees, for subsequent kilometer rupees 8. Now consider the first term 15 and the second term is nothing but 15 plus 8, so 23. And the third term is nothing but 23 plus 8, so 31. So now think about this situation. So A2 minus A1 equal to 23 minus 8, 15, so value 8. Similarly, A3 minus A2 equal to 31 minus 23, that value 8. So D equal, both are equal. So it forms AP. So arithmetic problems. So we need to write first term, second term, third term first. And next we need to check the difference D, whether it's equal or not. If it's equal, automatically we say that it form a arithmetic problems. Right. Then second problem. The amount of air present in the cylinder when a vacuum pump removes 1/4 of the air remaining in the cylinder at a time. The amount of air, let amount of air be x, like that choose. Why x? Because we don't know, but it's removing 1/4 and so on. So for that, let consider A1 equal to this x. A2 it's removed, no, that is A2 equal to x, removed 1/4 of x. This is the meaning. So 1/4 of x means x minus 1/4 x. So that is x by 4. So LCM 4, because we are 1, we need to multiply 4 in numerator and denominator. So 4x minus x, so value 3x divided by 4. So better write one by one, but for your understanding I am just written here. Now come to third one, A3 equal to, from this 1/4 is removed. So 3x divided by 4 minus 1/4 of 3x divided by 4. So means 3x divided by 4 minus 3x divided by 16. Now LCM 4 and 16, so we can choose LCM 16. So here just multiply by 4. So 12x, 3 4s are 12, 12x minus 3x, so 9x divided by 16. So from this you can write A1 equal to x, A2 equal to 3x by 4 and A3 equal to 9x divided by 4, 16. This thing is given. We need to check whether it's form AP or not. For that, check A2 minus A1. So 3x divided by 4 minus x. So LCM 4, because here 1 multiply 4 in numerator and denominator. So 4. Here 3x. Here 4 I need to multiply, so minus 4x. So 3 minus 4, so minus x divided by 4. Sorry, minus 1 divided by 4. Next, A3 minus A2. So 9x divided by 16 minus 3x divided by 4 equal to 16 LCM. Here multiply by 4 in numerator and denominator. So 16 So 9x minus 3 4s are 12. So minus 3x divided by 16. Minus 3x divided by 16. So here you can give easiest answer. So comparing this A2 minus A1 and A3 minus A2. For that 1/4 of the air remaining of the cylinder form definitely not form a arithmetic progress because D is not equal. So here A2 minus A1 not equal to A3 minus A2. So it not on A2. Now come to third one. The cost of digging a well after every meter digging, when the cost is rupees 50 of the first meter and rising by rupees 50 for each subsequent meter. So let A1 equal to rupees 150. For subsequent it is given rupees 50. So A2 equal to rupees 150 plus rupees 50 equal to rupees 200. Then A3 equal to rupees 200 plus rupees 50, that is rupees 250. Now check A2 minus A1 equal to 200 minus rupees 150 to 50 rupees 50. And A3 minus A2 equal to rupees 250 minus rupees 200 equal to rupees 50. So both are equal. So it forms arithmetic progress. It forms arithmetic progress. Like that we need to write. Next to come to fourth one. The amount of money in the account every year when 10,000 is deposited at a compound interest. So compound interest is given. So principal amount 10,000. Rate of interest 8 every year. Like that given. Compound interest is form given. So now we need to write the compound interest formula. P into 1 plus R by 100 to the power n, number of n. Let A1 equal to rupees 10,000 and A2 equal to P into 1 plus R by 100 to the power first year. This is starting amount for the first year. For the first year, the rate of interest first year. So this R is 8. So 10,000 into LCM 100. So 100 plus 8 divided by 100 to the power 1. So 10,000. 10,000 into 108 divided by 100. After cancelling this, 10800, 10,800. So starting number 10,000, second one 10,800. Now come to second year. So for A3 equal to, for the amount 10,000, P into 1 plus R by 100 for the second year. So here 2. The same way 10,000 into LCM 108 divided by 100 to the power 2. So 10,000 into 108 is power 2. So 108 into 108 divided by 100 into 100. Cancel by 2 0 after 2 0. equal to 108 into 108. So 0, this one. Eleven six six A3. Now just think about the thing. A1 equal to 10,000, A2 equal to 10,800, A3 equal to 11,664. We can find the next A4 also, but anyway, now check A2 minus A1 value. So 10,800 minus 10,000 equal to 800. A3 minus A2 equal to 11,664 minus 10,800. So 862. They are not equal. So definitely it not forms on AP. So we need to write this situation never form AP, arithmetic progress. So different type of compound interest things we can find. First thing, A1 is 10,000. Second year simple interest. So 800 we can do. Additionally we can add. Then for the second year initial amount, no. For that we can find simple interest P naught divided by 100. We can add. So like that we can do by principal interest, by simple interest also. So you know that a compound interest formation never form on AP and the simple interest form AP, because in the simple interest we are going to form only the interest. We are going to find only the interest of the principal money. Every year no change. Interest fixed one. But in the compound interest every year we are going to calculate the amount just before the starting period amount. For first year initial amount 10,000, for second year initial amount 10,800, for third year initial amount 11,664. So like that, here we are going to find that compound interest answer never forms compound interest as an AP. Now second problem. Write the four term of AP, 4 terms. For that given A equal to 10 and D equal to 10. So general term, you know that the general term A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D. This is the general arithmetic progress. 4 term only up to 3D. So further how to write it? So that A1 equal to 10 and A2 equal to 10 plus D 10. So 20. Next A3 equal to 20 plus difference 10. So 30. Next A4 equal to 30 plus 10 D. So 40. So 10, that is 10, 20, 30, 40 is the first 4 term of the particular arithmetic progress. Right. Second one, A equal to minus 2, D equal to 0. The same thing, at A1 equal to minus 2, first term. A2 equal to minus 2 plus 0, that is minus 2. A3 equal to once again minus 2 plus 0 equal to minus 2. And A4 equal to once again minus 2 plus 0, once again minus 2. So therefore your answer minus 2, minus 2, minus 2, minus 2. This is the first 4 term of this. Now come to third one. A equal to 4, D equal to minus 3. So A1 equal to 4 and A2 equal to 4 minus 3. So answer. Next A3 equal to 1 minus 3. So 1 minus 3 minus 2. Next A4 equal to minus 2 then minus 3. So minus 5. That's all. So therefore 4 comma 1 comma minus 2 comma minus 5. This is the answer. Right. Next, fourth one, A equal to minus 1 and D equal to 1 by 2. So let A1 equal to minus 1 and A2 equal to minus 1 plus 1 by 2. So we know that LCM 2, so here we need to multiply by 2 in numerator and denominator. So 2, so minus 1 into 2 minus 2 plus 1. So minus 1 by 2. Next, A3 equal to minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2. Both are equal, so we can cancel this. So 0. We can cancel minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 we can cancel. Next, A4 equal to 0 plus 1 by 2. 0 plus 1 by 2 is nothing but 1 by 2. Therefore, this AP is minus 1 comma minus 1 by 2 comma 0 comma plus 1 by 2. This is the first four term of the AP. Next fifth problem. A equal to minus 1.25 and D equal to minus 0.25. Now consider A1 equal to and A2 equal to minus 1.25, D also minus 0.25. Addition, already you know that minus 1.25 minus 0.25. We need to add 550, remaining 1, 10, no 10, remaining 1, so 5.1. So equal to minus 1.50, we can write as 1.5. Next, A3 equal to minus 1.50 minus 0.25. Addition already you know that minus 1.50 minus 0.25, so 571. So minus 1.75. Next, this one minus 1.5 we can write as minus 1.5 also. Right. A4 equal to minus 1.75 minus 0.25. We need to add. So 1.75. This is also minus 0.25. This is also minus 5 is 10. Remaining 1 9 plus 1 10. Remaining 1 2. Minus 2.00. Equal to minus 2. So the AP first four term minus 1.25 comma minus 1.5 comma minus 1.75 comma minus 2. So this is first four term of this AP. Next third problem. For the following AP, write the first term and the common difference. 3 comma 1 comma 1 comma minus 3 minus 1 comma minus 3. First term, this is your first term. Therefore, A equal to 3 and D equal to 1. Second term, A2 minus A1. This is A1, this is A2, this is A1. So A2 minus A1. So 1 minus 3, so minus 2. So A equal to 3 comma D equal to minus 2. Second one actually given